Hello guys, good news for everybody. The Indigo trader is here. Expert advisor Indigo is finally here. So all of you which pre-order this expert advisor can expect the delivery in 2 or maximum 3 days. So all of you which have pre-ordered, please just send me your MT4 account numbers for license, and you will be getting it until the Friday. So, Indigo Trader is here, you see. We have one active trade here, and I will explain you the settings, the files, everything. The instruction video, how to install it, you will get when you will receive the files of Indigo Trader. You will get also the video instruction how to install it, and also quickly explanation how to use it. But about how to use it, you can follow me in my YouTube. I will publish several videos in next few days with settings and live trades. So when you buy it, you will get such a template, and when you load your Indigo Trader, you must see here this smiley, and this is what you see. For those people which has bought FX Indigo indicator, it will be maybe easier because they can open firstly FX Indigo, so manual system with arrows, and load then the Indigo Trader directly to this. So you can follow the arrows, the potential trades, and how it works much easily. But for functioning of the Indigo itself, you do not need indicators. You just put Expert Advisor and it will trade automatically, opening the trade when it have all set up as I explained in my videos. We have one trade here 10-15 minutes ago on 4-hour time frame. So Indigo Trader opened the trade here. Why? Because we have a red arrow, which means the trend, downtrend, the change of trend. Then it waits, as I explained in many videos how it works, the white arrow, and this must be confirmed. This future price predictor must show 15 candle in future that it's going down under the white line. So now all of your job, the Indigo Trader will make itself, so you do not have to worry to watch your charts non-stop. It will make all for you. So here we have two trades before. You see this arrow, here it was buy trade. So Indigo Trader opened it automatically. I even wasn't here, and it take the trade, and it trades until here and make 32 pips, 31 pips. This is M5 time frame. I open a lower time frame also to get some more trades, to test it more few days before delivering. But usually I will trade my trading style, and I found that the best results you can make on higher time frames, like 4-hour, daily, maybe 1 hour. So I will not trade live for myself on 5 minutes, 1 minute, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, only 4-hour daily, and sometimes maybe if I want really little bit more trades, I will use 1 hour. Also here, the trade was taken. Why? Because, let's study. We get here a signal, because all confirmed. You see, this showed 15 candles in future confirmation. We have a white not repeated arrow in the direction of trend, and it is confirmed with this, and auto trader took it. I put here these 3 confirmations that you can see at the moment. When it held all 3 the same, it will open a trade. So here all 3 were buy. Here all 3 were sell, and now we have only this Z turbo trend direction indicator showing us sell, but we need this one to be sell, so it must be under the white line non-stop from the first candle to next 15 candles in future. And our indigo not repainted white arrow must come somewhere here, then we can take trade like here. We get white arrow, and after a few minutes you get confirmation with this, and of course it is in the money. What about exiting of trade? I will show you here. So you have these settings here, expert advisor, properties. Use trading time. You know what is that? The time in which you want to trade, or in which you want the Indigo trader opens the trade. I put it for the time London in your session. You can do anything you like. Take profit, stop loss, you can manually put, and trailing stop. And look this, close opposite signal. What does it mean? Close opposite signal. So that means if you put it to true, then the Indigo trader will close trade when we get the opposite arrow. Here it will take a trade until this, and here it will be closed. Or here, when it opens, it will close trade here at the opposite arrow. So this is fantastic opportunity that you take maximum pips, maximum profit for one trade. Also, you can put take profit, stop loss according your desire. What it's up to you. I cannot tell you. You can put 10 pips and stop loss 10 pips, and then if you put it, it will close on 25 pips. It will be closed. So take profit 25 will be activated. But if you put zero here, sorry, 0. I don't know why it's up. If you put 0, then the trade will be closed when it reach next opposite arrow. Whether it is a red arrow or a white arrow, it is only important that it's opposite. So it's up to you what you like to use. Stop loss, it is also up to you. 25 pips, 10 pips, I cannot say, but it should be minimum as it take profit. If you use take profit here, 25, let's say, then it should be used at least the same. Trailing stop, you know the function, it is 10 pips when it reaches 10 pips. So here it will secure your trade, and the stop loss line will be moved at that line, so it will secure your profit and it will move with the price up until it closes. Or if the price go back, it will close the trade with some profit you made before that. So it's a very good function to use. So if you don't want the opposite signal function, you can put to false, and it will never activate. So only take profit stop loss numbers will be activated. Fixed lot size. So here we have, you see here we have 0.5 lot size fixed, or if you put here 0, then it will work with fixed lot size. But if you put, I don't know, 1%, it will open 1% of your account. So here 1% is, I don't know, $49. It will risk only 1% of your trading account in this trade. So it's not bad. Maybe if you like this style, you can use X% also. And custom magic number must be different for all currency pair. If you trade with, I don't know, 10 currency pairs, each must have different number. Any number but different. This is email alert if you want to receive to email, sound if you want sound alert, notification alerts to your mobile phone, yes, false or true. Show filters, that means do you want to see these filters or these confirmation filters here or not. If you put to true, you will see this. If not, you will not see this. And this is some make screenshots if you want to have screenshots of your trade and to analyze later if and when the Indigo trader took the trade. So very simple, nothing special, but very powerful. So we have one trade, it's on 4-hour time frame, so it's still active. And now you see we have take profit line, and we have trading stop activated. We have, let's see what we have. Sorry. Yes. So the trade now can go until this line or until, if you like, until this opposite signal. It is up to you how you like to set it up. What else? You can open as many as you want, but having in mind your trading account, you cannot open 10 pairs and put to each pair, let's say 2%. So if the 5 trades are opened at the same time, you are risking 10% then. So it is not good. You must be careful. But if you use very high time frame, 4-hour daily, then it's very, very low possibility then that of let's say 10 pairs, you will have more than 2 or 3 at the same time opened. I suggest that you, first of all, try it on a demo account, and then after maybe few weeks testing with all pairs, time frames, with the settings you like, take profit higher or lower, or as I said, with this function close opposite signal, so that when the trade will be closed only with opposite signal, like let's see, like here, if you have taken the trade here and use this function close opposite signal, it will go and trade until it will not take profit anyway here until the next opposite arrow you see here. Or or here, it will close here. Or let's see here. If we have taken the trade here, it will be closed here. Or if the expert advisor will take trade here, it will be closed here. So why that is good? Because it optimizes, it not only optimizes, it maximizes your take profit. Because maybe here, if you manually enter the trade, you will put maybe, I don't know, you will put here maybe 20 pips or 30 pips take profit here, and you will be satisfied. But if you use this function, you will not make only, let's say, 30 pips, you can make even 100 pips. It's big difference, very big difference. Or let's say here, if you use your take profit 25 or 30, or I don't know, but if you use the function opposite close at opposite signal, you will make double, and so on. So this is only one example. This is our trade. You see, trailing stop has been opened here. Sell line is moved under the enter. So now we secure our trade, and we cannot lose anymore. So we have, I think, trailing stop somewhere here. Yes, trailing stop is 10. So at 10 points it's activate, and now we are very safe. If price go in the other direction back, it will close at break even minimum. As I said, I like to use bigger charts, bigger time frames, higher time frames, and in my live trading I will open 10, minimum 10 charts, but all with 4 hour and daily. Maybe 1 or 2, 1 hour, and I will let it go. I will do other business I have with my job here, because staring at this chart non-stop and waiting for setups can take a lot of time. Of course, you can use FX Indigo manual system. This is the manual system, but you must be always at your computer. Be careful if the signal is okay, it's not okay, it is confirmed or not confirmed. Now you have all automatically by Indigo Trader. It will confirm in the right moment and open trade in the right moment. So big advantages, especially for people which don't have time to be for 6, 8 or 10 hours near computer and waiting for a good setup. So as I said, at the end, still today, this is 17th of December, still today, and it is only maybe few hours, 5 hours, you can get this Indigo Trader at a pre-order price. That is 40% off. So you can save more than $120 if you order or buy today. So it's only information that still today you can check it on my web page. Just a second. Yes, I opened my web page. So if you want to use this special pre-order, you see here it's still this info expert advisor is coming, and you will see the information here at the price which you can get until 17th. It's today. You can get it at a special price, only $159, and from tomorrow the price will be $269. So it's up to you. If you want, you just click here and you will see payment methods. Then you can still today, here it is almost 6 p.m. So about 5 hours, 6 hours you have to use this fantastic pre-order discounted price. And guys, this works perfect. You see, I took this trade about 50 minutes ago and still it's increasing and it is in the money. I put here the take profit. I can remove it and I can only wait that it goes itself with the next arrow. It is up to you how you will set up expert advisor properties. So you see, close opposite signal, true. Because it is true, if the opposite signal comes before the take profit of, let's say, 50, it will close before. So it's also good. It is also good. Because when the opposite arrow comes, it means that it will a reversal, a retracement. It will be some retracement. So it's always good to have this function on to protect your take profit or to increase your profit, as you could see before. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was new Indigo Trader version 1. Maybe until Friday it will be version 1.01 because I'm still monitoring how it works, and maybe I will improve some small things in these 2-3 days, but it is 99% ready. And as I said, all which pre-order it and all which will pre-order it still today will get it until the end of week, I think on Friday at latest. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video about new fantastic Indigo Trader. Bye bye.